Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. To do this, we'll need to launch any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, I'm gonna go to the settings. Here, click on the power key and volume down key, which is located right here. There's a power key, and volume down key is this button right here. When we click on both of them and hold them for 1 second, we'll make a screenshot, and now we can click on this button. This button right here. And select the scroll option.